Made sure African American citizens will be allowed to register and vote by ending unfair laws. South Carolina is growing in farming and tourism are big businesses. In the Low Country, tourism is one of the most important industries. Millions of tourists visit the Grand Strand in Charleston each year. 1972 present. South Carolina's natural resources help keep the economy strong. 1970s to the present. Farming, mining, and the seafood industry are important to our state. South Carolinians have jobs in many different industries, including the service industry.
Now, audience, it is our time to play Are You Smarter Than a Third Grader? I should say, Are You Smarter Than a Meadowfield, South Carolinian third grader? The state stone.
Blue granite.
The state dog.
Cocker spaniel.
The state beverage.
Got milk.
The state insect.
Praying mantis.
The state music.
The shack.
But let's do that again. Okay, hold on. Listen. The state music. Music. The state music.
The spiritual.
Thank you. We'll work on that. We'll continue with our game that we're going to review for a moment. The state wild game bird,
The wild turkey.
the state fish,
The striped bass.
the state animal,
White-tailed deer.
and the state dance.
I love beat music, always have and always will. There ain't no other kind of music in the world that gives me quite the thrill. When I hear 60 man and walking up the one-way street.
Thank you for coming to third grade presentation of South Carolina on my mind. We hope that you had fun joining us to the South Carolina.